And this is Taurai Maisiri. He's doing a tough job of negotiating. But Taurai is a fantastic artist who specializes in animals with a hoof. That's what he told me, that's his specialty. And here's a rhino sculpted in springstone. Amazing detail. We're outside of Harare, Zimbabwe, May the 15th, 2010. The buffalo sculpted in springstone. Some baboons and what appears to be brown verdite. And here's a buffalo in cobalt. As you can see, the detail is just stunning. Here's the buffalo in opal stone. My personal favorite, this is a springbok in cobalt. Some rhinos, a couple of rhinos in cobalt. A couple of elephants in opal stone. And then a lion in opal stone. Just great detail, produced under difficult conditions. There's a crocodile. Black serpentine. And again, this is Taurai Maisiri.